So the question is, a plane moves from 9 north 40 east. This N of E is indicating north and east. So 9 north 40 east to 27 south 40 west. If the plane starts at 10 a.m. and takes 8 hours to reach the destination, find the local arrival time. Find the local arrival time. So the plane is starting from 9 north, the 9 north 40 east, and it is going to 27 south 40 west. Now, what I understand here is, see, there will be time difference between two different places. There will be time difference between two different places. For example, in case I don't say Indian Standard Time, Chennai will have a different timings, Bombay will have a different timings, Calcutta will have a different timings, because every time is based on the longitudinal position of that place. Time of that particular place will be based on the longitudinal position of that place. As far as SAPT is concerned, what I remember is, for every degree change, the time difference is 4 minutes. For every degree change, the time difference is 4 minutes. For every degree change, every degree change, time difference is 4 minutes. Time difference is 4 minutes. For every degree change, time difference is 4 minutes. East to west will be minus, and west to east will be plus. East to west will be minus, and west to east will be plus. Don't bother about north and south. Don't bother about north and south. Even if Chennai and Delhi are two different countries, if the longitudinal position is same, the timing will be same. So here don't bother about north and south. Everything is between east and west. So as far as the question is concerned, don't bother about what happens to north, what happens to south. So there will be no time difference between north and south. So the plane is starting at 40 east, it is going to 40 west. So north and south is immaterial as far as time difference is concerned. So from 40 east, when it goes to 40 west, it will have a 0 degrees here, then only it will come here. So from here it will go to 40, and from again here it will go 40. So the plane is totally moving 40 plus 40, 80 degrees westwards. It is moving 80 degrees westwards. The plane is moving 80 degrees westwards. As I mentioned earlier, for every degree change, the time difference is 4 minutes. East to west is minus. So the plane is moving 80 degrees westwards. So the time difference will be 80 into 4, 320 minutes. 80 into 4 is 320 minutes. That is 5 hours 20 minutes. So it will be from this time, here it will get 5 hours 20 minutes here to get the local time here. Similarly, from this time, you will have to add 5 hours 20 minutes to get the local time here. Now the plane is starting from here. It is starting at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. It is having a run of 8 hours means, so it will be 6 p.m. From 10 hours, 8 p.m. to 6 p.m. So our local time here will be 6 p.m. But the local time here at the same 6 p.m. will be 6 p.m. minus 5 hours 20 minutes. Minus 5 hours 20 minutes will be 12:40 p.m. The answer is 12:40 p.m. It is 6 p.m. minus 5 hours 20 minutes. Had the plane started from here, it will be 6 p.m. plus 5 hours 20 minutes will be 11:20 p.m. So from east to west is minus, west to east is plus. Subscribe to my channel. I will be adding questions every now and then. Wish you all the best.